my dear friends of symphonic brass music, and welcome to something quick because the battery is close to dying. Today, I want to challenge myself and make a band recording setup for 500 euro. And I have my favorite store open where I just buy stuff. And I changed the language to English. Give me a second. So there we go. Now it's all in pounds. I don't want to have it in pounds. Sorry. Let's change it back to euros. Hello? There we go. Okay. So here we are. I challenged myself to make a band recording setup with everything we'll need for recording a whole band as good as possible. And you have a computer and you have some sort of software, because yes, there is free software out there and in some sort, let it be Pro Tools first or whatever. So I say you already have a computer, you have a software. All we need is stuff to record. So let's see what we can do. Let's start with an audio interface, and we need microphone inputs. Can we get 4? Is there any chance we get 4 mic inputs for like $200? I don't want to be more expensive than 200 euro. That's the price range. I want to find something which is not crap for me. I mean, I haven't tried these things, but this is looking good. This is looking good. What that? Presonus Studio 68C. I have no experience in that. I haven't sold any of these equipment. I don't know them myself. So be aware, I don't have experience in it. I don't know if this is any good or not. It's just what I see for the budget. And it's 500 euro for a whole band to record. So we have 4 mic inputs with phantom power, 1 stereo headphone output. We're gonna do overdub recording, obviously. Not gonna happen. I record a whole band at once. USB-C and USB-A, which is good. We have Presonus Studio 1 included, which is good. 4 mic inputs, 4 line inputs. Yeah, looking good. Okay, that's settled. 200 euro already done. And now we need mics. And we need a large diaphragm mic. And maybe we can find something for drums. Let's see, and that might be already too expensive. Yeah, that's already shit. Okay, let's start with a large diaphragm mic. We can't get the Rode because then we're already too expensive, and we need this set with stand. Oh, we can try. So we are 150 euros already. But we need like a kick mic, and we need something for snare. So we have that for overheads. We need something for snare. And we need something for the kick. Let's see. And we need to go cheap here. We seriously need to go really, really cheap on that. And that's just Chinese crap bullshit, but I guess we can't get around it. So we have this bundle with a stand, which is 50 euro. I guess we need to go for that. So it's 200 euro for the interface, 150. So we're 400 euro already. And we need a mic for the snare. And we need a headphone. So let's go for the AKG Perception. Never heard that mic, but it's just 40 quid. And now we just need a headphone. Which is working. Okay, and that can be really, really cheap. This, yeah, that's not important like at all. Let's go for Behringer. Don't care. Close back. They look comfy. Don't know them. No experience in these headphones. So, and then we might be able... So we have 200, 350, 400, 440, 420. And we need one more mic stand. Where's the mic stand? Here's the mic stand. Just need one more mic stand. So again, 200, 350, 400, 440, 455, 470. Something for €30, which will make it good. I don't think there's anything we could do for €30. Let's buy 2 of these. Don't know if there are two headphone outputs. No, it's just one. It's just one. Headphone out's just one. Okay. So you can't hear yourself. You can't hear the other one while recording. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's all we can do for €500. But you can record a whole band with it. So you have this interface, 4 mic inputs. I guess the other ones are at the back. Where's the back? Here's the back. Okay, you have 4 mic inputs on that thing. You use the Rode NT1 as a drum overhead and as a vocal mic. Yeah, the Superlux whatever kick mic just for the bass drum and maybe record the bass with it as well. And we have that. You can use for snare and on the guitar amps. Yeah, you need a mic stand for it. Oh, there we go for a small one. Let's see. Let's not use this mic stand. Let's use a smaller one, something like that, because it's a bit more convenient to reach the snare from low. Let's use that. And an headphone. Okay. Well, that looks good. I put all the links to this. I make a site on thomann.de. Put the links down in the description where you can see all these items and check on them. I think that's a good setup. Seriously, I think that's a really, really good setup. I mean, there are no tom mics, nothing, but we just have 4 inputs, and there's actually one to spare. So you could go for one more mic if you have like another €40 or something. You buy just a second one of these and could mic a tom or something. And if you have a drummer with just a snare and one tom, you could get an even better sound of it. So yeah, I put this all together in my affiliation site thingy on Thomann. You can check on this there. And I think that's a good recording setup. Seriously, I'm pretty amazed what you can do for $500. There you go. I hope you like this. Thanks really, really much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Okay, just while editing this, I figured out it's a bit more expensive than €500 because I was on the British side. They showed me the prices for UK, which why ever are lower than the prices on the German version. And so now I ended up with €126.80. Okay, it's a bit over my challenge, but yeah, don't know where to scrap the 60 euro from. Okay, I failed my own challenge, but still pretty awesome recording setup for really low budget.